task was to announce the new IKEA catalogue. One part of the campaign, we made advertising in cinemas. In an exceptional IKEA typical way. We simply use existing great movies with great actors in which IKEA products are used accidentally. So we only had to direct the audience's attention to the products. Powerful flashlights and lenses became portable slide projectors. With this, equipment promotion teams brought names and prices of IKEA products during the movie on the screen. The first IKEA cinema catalogue was born.
Und? Hier ist die Nummer. Hier ist die Nummer.
In every movie we did 2 to 3 projections, and in the end we always referred to the new IKEA catalogue, where more ideas could be discovered. After the show, the catalogue was distributed in front of the cinemas. In 92 screenings we reached over 13,000 viewers. Instead of the estimated 1,000 catalogues, we distributed more than 5,000. Probably also because of the famous support.
Heute gewinne ich.